Are your Microsoft Office apps crashing due to the msado15.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Avoid long manual edits for msado15 by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the msado15, the Microsoft ActiveX Data Objects ADO library. It provides unmanaged routines for uniform data access, managing the data link between localized applications and various database provider manifests. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. msado15 is required for Microsoft Office to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Microsoft Office will repair missing or broken application files. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing msado15 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading msado15.dll from random internet sources which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes msado15 documentation. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure msado15 remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.